You're wasting your time and your money on your detailing business. You've been lied to about what products you should and shouldn't use in your business. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we were able to cut our product cost by 72% and save over $500 a month in our detailing business. And now we're able to charge over $150 per hour for our service. This video is basically going to be a masterclass on my exterior detailing process, step by step. I'm gonna teach you how to make it simple, how to make it efficient. Stop wasting your time, stop wasting your money. Let's go. All right, the first step of my process is gonna be to use DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. So let's go over to the buckets over here. And this video is going to feel sponsored because I use a lot of DIY Detail products, but in the past year and a half of my business, I have found these products to be some of the most efficient and cost-effective products on the market. So not sponsored video, but if you are interested in any of these products, there is a link in the description. Use my link, get 10% off. All right, so I have done a full video on rinseless wash in the past, so if you need to go watch that for a full explanation, go ahead and check that out. It'll be linked as well. But we're going to take 4 capfuls and put them in 4 gallons of water. That's gonna be about 2 ounces of product per every 4 gallons. The reason why we're using rinseless wash instead of a traditional soap, 1, it's safer for the vehicle's paint, and 2, it's faster. A rinseless wash doesn't mean that we don't do a rinse to begin. We do a pre-foam and then a rinse, but you don't have to rinse after you apply the soap. So we'll be applying a soap, putting a ceramic sealant on the paint, and then drying it afterwards. So basically, once one panel of the vehicle is done, you don't have to touch it again. So it allows us to wash a car of this size in about 25 minutes or less. Before we do the wash on the body of the vehicle, we first have to address the wheels and tires. The reason for this is it's the dirtiest part of the vehicle. So you don't want to splash dirty tires onto a clean vehicle once you've finished. We're gonna use DIY Detail All Clean. This is the all-purpose cleaner. This product is phenomenal because you can use it on both the interior and exterior of the vehicle, depending on what dilution ratio you have it set to. So I've got 15 parts water, 1 part product in my IK foamer. So I'm going to spray this off with my pressure washer and then spray it with product, agitate, rinse it, dry it, and we're good to go. What I have here is quick beads. This is a graphene sealant, meaning it is water activated. So after I finish washing all of the wheels and tires, I'm going to apply about 2 sprays to the rims. What this does is as soon as I spray it with water, it's going to apply protection to the rims, making it easier for me to dry, making it to where the sun doesn't bake water spots into the rims once it actually comes time for me to dress the tires. So I'm going to do this to all of the rims around the whole car, spray them off, and then rinse the whole vehicle and start washing. Now in my foam cannon, I've got it filled all the way up with water and 1 ounce of DIY Detail Incredible Suds. This soap is incredible because it has the most amount of foam that I've seen in a soap for the least amount of product, meaning you're saving a lot of money when you use it. Foaming it down first, even though we are using a rinseless wash, allows for 2 things. 1, it allows for the soap to begin pulling dirt off of the paint. That way when I come in with a contact wash, I'm not actually scraping any loose dirt on the surface of the vehicle. It also allows me to take a detail brush and get all of the fine areas. So with a clean detail brush, I am now agitating areas that are really hard to get in with a regular wash mitt, allowing that extra touch of detail, and it doesn't take very long. All right, so we're using the 2-bucket wash method here. Super simple. 1 bucket, all water. 1 bucket, water and rinseless wash solution. The reason for this is after we've used the rinseless wash on 1 panel of the vehicle, then we dunk our wash mitt in the other one, rub it against the dirt trap at the bottom, gets the dirt off of the mitt, that way we're not reapplying dirt onto a clean area of the vehicle. Starting at the roof and working our way to the bottom of the vehicle, we gently apply rinseless wash on the surface of the paint. Grab ceramic gloss, which is gonna act as a drying aid. So not only is it adding about 3 to 6 months worth of protection to the paint and to the glass, it is also helping us dry the vehicle by pulling the water off of the surface. So very conservative sprays, about 1 or 2 spray per panel. And now all I have to do, grab my drying towel, dry it right off, and I don't have to touch this part of the car ever again. It's all done. As I said at the start of the video, this video is to act as a masterclass on detailing the exterior of a vehicle for your business, to make it simple, to make it efficient, because that's the only way you can grow. The biggest mistake that I see most detailers making right now is they spend all of their time worrying about products and technique, when in reality, it's so simple. If you can focus on your business, you'll be able to grow. I know detailers that have been in the game for 15, 20 years that have never seen $10,000 a month. Why? Because they focus too much on their trade. If you can get good at it, stay good at it. You don't have to consistently be looking for new products and new methods. If something works for you, let it keep working for you. Grow your business. And make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, because not only am I doing a video on my exterior detailing process, I'll be covering my interior detailing process next week, and after that I'll be talking about paint correction and ceramic coats, which also is simpler than you might think. And we're gonna be doing all of that on this Range Rover right here, because there's some pretty major paint imperfections, so I'd like to get them addressed and ceramic coated so this car looks as good as new. So after we finish washing the car, there's really only one step left, and that's to dry the rims and dress the tires. And what I use for my dressing is Griot's ceramic tire dressing. This is a little bit more expensive than the average tire dressing, but it has the best mixture of gloss and a matte finish that I've seen. It also lasts about 3 to 6 months, so not bad for a tire dressing. DIY Detail also makes a good tire dressing, and so does PNS Products. I've used both of them in the past, but my personal favorite, Griot's tire dressing. So usually for our basic wash service on a vehicle of this size, charge about $85. And we did that in less than half an hour. So you can do the math on that, but we have a couple other services that we offer. We do a clay treatment, we can restore trim, headlights, polish, paint correction, ceramic coatings, interior cleanings, we do the whole thing. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow for more, because I'm gonna be putting out more masterclass videos on all of these subjects, because it's crucial that you save time and save money so you can actually focus on building a business and making money, because that's what it's all about.